In a bustling city filled with skyscrapers and constant activity, there lived a young woman named Emma. Emma was a talented graphic designer, passionate about creating visually stunning digital art. However, she felt stuck in her current job at a small local firm and dreamed of working at a leading design agency where her creativity could shine. One evening, feeling overwhelmed and uncertain about her future, Emma decided to visit a quiet park nearby. Sitting by a tranquil pond, she remembered a book she had read years ago, the Tao Te Ching. Written by the ancient Chinese sage Lao Tzu, Tao Te Ching is a classic text that offers profound wisdom on living in harmony with the Tao, the natural way of the universe. Inspired by its teachings, Emma decided to apply these principles to her job search. Emma embraced the concept of wu wei, or effortless action. Instead of obsessively scrolling through job boards every night, she began practicing mindfulness and meditation. These practices helped her stay present and calm, trusting that the right opportunity would come in its own time. Reflecting on her inner virtues, Emma listed her patience, creativity, and resilience. She realized that these qualities would guide her toward a job that truly suited her. By focusing on her strengths and values, she gained clarity about her career aspirations, wanting a role that allowed her to innovate and inspire through design. With a renewed sense of purpose, Emma simplified her job application materials. She crafted a clean, visually appealing resume and a cover letter that honestly conveyed her passion for graphic design. She highlighted her skills without embellishment, allowing her genuine enthusiasm and talent to shine through. Emma decided to expand her network with an open mind. She joined professional groups on LinkedIn, attended virtual design conferences, and engaged in conversations with other creatives. She shared her experiences and listened to others' stories, staying open to unexpected opportunities. Throughout her job search, Emma remained humble and grateful. She sent thank you notes after every interview and expressed sincere appreciation to mentors and colleagues who offered support. Her humility made her memorable and likable to those she met. Emma kept reminding herself to trust the natural order of the universe. She journaled regularly, writing affirmations that reinforced her belief that everything would unfold as it should. Each rejection became a stepping stone, bringing her closer to the right opportunity. One day, while participating in an online design webinar, Emma connected with a creative director from a prestigious design agency. They were impressed by her portfolio and her genuine passion for design. After a few conversations, Emma was offered a position that perfectly aligned with her skills and aspirations. Emma's dream job manifested not through relentless searching but by aligning with life's flow, cultivating inner harmony, and trusting in the natural process. She joined the design agency, where her work was celebrated, and she found fulfillment and joy in her new role. Emma's journey became an inspiration to her friends and colleagues, showing that by embracing Taoist principles, one can manifest their dreams with grace and serenity, even in the fast-paced modern world. Emma's journey teaches us that the path to manifesting our dreams lies in embracing the principles of the Tao. By aligning with the natural flow of life, cultivating inner virtues, embracing simplicity, being open and receptive, acting with humility, and trusting the natural order, we can navigate challenges with grace and find our true calling. Emma's story reminds us that sometimes letting go and trusting the process is the most powerful way to achieve our goals. Through patience and inner harmony, we can find our place in the world, where our talents are recognized and our passions are fulfilled. If you found value in today's video of how you can use Taoist principles in your daily life, please consider sharing it with others who may benefit from it. Spreading positivity and self-compassion can make a significant difference in the lives of those around us. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Peaceful Serenity Meditation, for more videos that support your mental well-being. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new content designed to help you find peace and serenity in your daily life. Thank you for joining us today. May you carry the calm and positivity from this message with you throughout your day.